Siguro, since kakadating lang din ni Will, I want to work with Will again. Very, very great. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng bumubuo. Of course, ng Sparkle kay Lord, sa family ko, and of course, Regal. And it's a really, really great opportunity, especially for me to come back to my home ever since I was 6 years old. So, very surreal, and I thank everyone that's been a part of my team and everyone that's been there for me. Well, actually, marami ang niluluto, marami kami na pagmitingan. And of course, I'm here to hone my craft and my passion for filming and for acting, of course. And marami kayong maabangan sa akin, kagaya na lang po ng Born to Shine. Malapit na po yan this coming 2026, and sana maabangan niyo. Siguro, since kakadating lang din ni Will, I want to work with Will again. Magka-work na kami dati sa Mano po 3, ng Flower Sisters. He's my brother doon, and I really, really would want to work with him again since it's a very great set already. And of course, Sir Dong, Sir Dong and Ate Yan.